The adventures of Mr. Incredible with his pals Frozone and Mr. Skipperdo. When last we left them, Mr. Incredible and Frozone had just discovered the startling disappearance of the West River Bridge.
Frozone, the disappearance of the West River Bridge is startling. What dastardly demon could have done such a dirty deed?
This is one wild scene, Big Daddy. What's up with Mr. Skipperdo?
He's found something. A rivet from the missing bridge. And it's radioactive.
Radioactive? That's powerful goodness. But isn't that dangerous in the wrong hands?
Yes, and what pretty hands they are. For this is blue radioactivity, which can only be the work of one person. The sinister, yet lovely, Lady Lightbug.
Let's make like a banana and split.
Hold on there, Frozone. We can't leave this traffic piled up. There's nothing more important than keeping our country's automobiles on the go.
Well, this will get all those hep cats rolling for now. Cool it!
Amazing! You're constructing a temporary bridge of ice. I've never seen anything like it. Good job, old friend. Now let's go find Lady Lightbug.
With traffic flowing for now, our heroes embark on a search for their evil adversary.
How did you peg this as Lady Lightbug's pad?
Evil is attracted to dark, remote places, and this abandoned fairground is dark and remote.
Dig it, Daddy-O.
Well, she's not under this abandoned funhouse. And she's not under this abandoned shooting gallery. And she's not under this abandoned house of mirrors. What is it, Mr. Skipperdo?
He's found the bridge.
The bridge? The bridge!
Yes, the bridge!
Lady Lightbug!
By stealing the world's bridges, I will create massive traffic jams. With the people of the earth unable to commute to work, the economies of the free world will crumble!
That's one crazy bug.
Radioactive silk!
And there is nothing you can do to stop me, Incredible!
You mean Mr. Incredible.
Your Ferris wheel attack is as pathetic and ineffective as your system of government!
Laugh now, Lightbug, for nothing can defeat the power of freedom. It's showtime!
The world is like crazy safe again, thanks to you, Mr. Incredible.
No, Frozone, thanks to you. And democracy. And of course you, Mr. Skipperdo.
Hope you remembered to poke some holes in that jar.
Curse you, Mr. Incredible, and Frozone, and Mr. Skipperdo!
Tune in next week for another amazing adventure.
I'll crush you, Mr. Incredible!
Starring the world's greatest super, Mr. Incredible. The adventures of Mr. Incredible with his pals Frozone and Mr. Skipperdo.
Hello, this is Mr. Incredible here with
Frozone.
You know, I've actually never seen this.
Yeah, me neither.
Several years ago, before the heroes were banned, we were approached about using our likenesses in a cartoon for kids by a producer named Irv Schechterman.
Wait a second, what's this? Is that me?
What?
I'm white. They made me a white guy?
You're blackish.
They made me a white guy.
Maybe the prints faded. You're tan.
That's powerful goodness.
Ish.
But isn't that dangerous in the
Wait. Is that supposed to be me? I sound like a what? A beatnik. Yeah, that's it. I sound like a beatnik.
It was meant to sound cool.
Well, it doesn't sound cool, and it doesn't sound like me. I sound cool. And if it sounded like me, it would sound cool.
Hang on, I'm sure it gets better.
Leave this traffic piled up. There's nothing more important than keeping our...
I thought you said this thing was animated.
It is animated.
When they gonna start moving? Ain't nothing moving but their lips.
It is animated. You can see it's not real, so it's animated. In a sense.
Never seen anything like it.
What's that bunny? Hey, what happened? They didn't show me make the ice bridge? That's the best part.
Oh, hey, come on. Well, don't be like that. We're recording this.
Our heroes embark on a search for the...
Yeah, you're holding the rabbit's hand. That's better.
How did you peg this as Lady Lightbug's pad?
Evil is attracted to dark, remote places. And this is
Why's everybody got lady lips?
dark
Look,
and remote.
Are those human lips? Whose lips are those?
I was told it was a new process.
Oh, new process.
A breakthrough.
And what would that new process be, Mr. I? Cheap-orama?
This is breaking through.
And that rabbit is getting on my last
The
nerve.
rabbit is cuddly. Kids like little cuddly sidekicks. I mean, the rabbit,
Not under this abandoned...
it's a time-tested... Okay, the rabbit bites.
Mr. Skipper-Doo,
He's found the bridge.
the bridge.
Are you kidding me?
Don't shout.
What kind of show is this?
Hey, you're shouting. Don't shout.
Lady Lightbug.
Lady Lightbug?
By stealing the
They got a show with real heroes, but they got to make up the villains? What's up with
They
that?
said it was a breakthrough.
Are you kidding me?
Well, you liked the idea, too. You wanted to expand your fan base.
That's one
Isn't that what you said?
radio.
How was I to know?
Silk.
And that is...
Oh, I get caught. The black superhero gets caught.
Well, a minute ago, you were complaining they made you white.
Oh, that's right. The tan superhero gets caught.
Ferris wheel attack is his pathetic...
You talked me into this.
It's for kids. The kids liked it.
Hey, you said it never
Well,
aired.
if it had aired, the kids would have liked it.
This is a stain on my otherwise spotless endorsement record. You owe me one,
I
Incredible.
never saw this. We were forced to go underground before the episodes were finished. You can't blame me.
Frozone is only involved in quality work. Crappy animation reflects badly on
Oh,
me.
for Pete's sake. It's not you.
It's my likeness.
It's a cartoon.
And now you have me involved in this commentary, further connecting me to work that is clearly inferior and connected me to a rabbit. Did you okay the
I
rabbit?
had nothing to do with the rabbit. I don't know where they got the
Well,
rabbit.
somebody okayed the rabbit.
Skipper-Doo!
Tune in next week for another amazing adventure.
I'll crush you, Mr. Incredible.
You know, we've been friends for a long time. But I'm telling you, this thing better never see the light of day.
Zone, where are you going? Come on, get back here. Hey, don't do this. Oh, man. Well, there you go, see? He's emotional. He'll come back. We still rolling?